The recent flooding that is currently wreaking havoc in parts of the country, where Kenya Red Cross Society rescued 15 children who were stuck in farms as floods wreaked havoc in Tana River County. The children, aged below 10 years, were with their parents in the farms when they were caught up by the flood waters that surrounded their farms, making it difficult for them to reach safe grounds.
Residents of Fiji in Garsen made a distress call to the Kenya Red Cross Society officials who organized a boat and embarked on a rescue mission. Also rescued were 3 women and a man. Kenya Red Cross Society Coast Regional Manager Hassan Musa said they got a distress call from the locals that some people were stuck in the farms due to the floods. He said it took 45 minutes for the Kenya Red Cross boat to reach the people.
Tumefika mahali ambapo tumepata familia zaidi ya 10 na wengi wao ni watoto. Kama hapa nilipo sasa hivi tumeweza kuchukua watoto 5, lakini bado kuna familia nyingine karibu 7 ambazo tunaenda tukiwaambia watoke katika mashamba haya kwa sababu maji yanazidi kuongezeka.
He said that whereas the area has been pounded by rains in the past 3 days, the floodings were largely as a result of water from upstream. He warned those living near River Tana to move to safe grounds as the situation was expected to get worse.
Ni tahadhari tuitoe kwa wale wengine wote ambao katika mashamba haya ya mto wa Tana River kwamba watoke katika sehemu hizi waweze kwenda sehemu salama, kwa sababu hata sisi tunapata shida kwa sababu kuja huku boti yenyewe haiwezi beba zaidi ya watu 15. Inabidi tuende karibu trip 2 ama 3 kuweza kuokoa maisha haya.
Sophia Salim, a victim who was rescued together with her 4 children, said she was staying alone at the farm as the husband works in Garsen town, and by the time her husband came home, the situation had worsened and the farm was slowly being submerged.
Tuko huku mashambani, maji yameanza kujaa pole pole. Sasa sisi hatukujua kwa maji yatakuwa mengi saizi hii. Sasa kufikia juzi nimeona maji yameanza kutuingilia kwa banda.
Another victim, Mwanaharusi Galani, revealed that she went to the farm 3 days ago, but her pleas to her husband to move to higher ground fell on deaf ears.
Alikuwa nakaa huko shambani tangu juzi, ndio maji yanaanza kuingia. Mwambia bwanangu kitoke, ameniambia tuke kupaka maji ya kemini ndio tutoke. Ndio tumekaa pale shambani, tunaangalia hali ya maji, ndio nimeambia tu toke mjini, amekataa.
Beatrice Gatonyangetich, Lunchtime News.